My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be walking you around our 2018 Volkswagen Golf. Just under 46,000 miles, a manual transmission and petrol fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that we have cruise control, voice control and hands-free calling. To the left of our screen we can access radio and media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot, front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our AC, and as we pan the camera around we can see that we have a full cloth interior. If you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.